What's up, guys? You are welcome to Dynamcom TV, where we publish news on politics, entertainment, celebrities, and metro stories. We have another trading news for you today, and the headline here is Atiku versus Buhari. How Fani Kayode reacted to the Supreme Court ruling. Alright, guys, please, before I go ahead to read today's news to you, if this is your first time you are watching on our channel, please, there is a red subscribe button below this video. Just go ahead, hit that red subscribe button and then click on the bell icon beside it so as to be the first to be notified whenever we publish news in the future on this channel without you missing any news again. Now the news in details. Fani Kayode, former aviation minister, has reacted to the Supreme Court ruling against Atiku Abubakar, 2019 presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP). Fani Kayode said, though President Muhammadu Buhari won at the Apex Court, he lost in the Supreme Court of God. In a tweet, the PDP chieftaincy wrote, "The Bible says, 'Be still and know that I am God.' At Muhammadu Buhari may have won in the Supreme Court of God, in the Supreme Court of man, but he has lost in the Supreme Court of God. Let us wait and see how things unfold. But one thing I am sure of is that the Egyptians you see today, we shall see them no more." This is a word coming from Fani Kayode, preaching to us how events will be unfold sooner or later, due to the way the Supreme Court has ruled against the PDP presidential candidate Atiku Abubakar. He went on to say, according to Daily Post, had reported that the Apex Court on Wednesday dismissed the appeal of the PDP and Atiku against the All Progressive Congress (APC) and its candidate Buhari. The Chief Justice of Nigeria (CJN), Tanko Muhammad, in his judgment said, "We have examined all the briefs and exhibits for over 2 weeks, and we agree that there is no merit in this appeal. The appeal is dismissed. Reasons to be given on a date to be announced." This is what the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Tanko Muhammad, in his judgment today, Thursday, said, reasoning that all briefs and exhibits for over 2 weeks, they have no merit on the appeal brought by PDP candidate Mr. Atiku Abubakar. But on the side of Fani Kayode, the former aviation minister, he did not agree on such judgment given by the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Tanko Muhammad. And he went on his Twitter to say, the PDP chieftaincy wrote, "The Bible says, 'Be still and know that I am God.'" He was quoting a script from the Bible consoling the PDP presidential candidate and letting him to know Buhari may win in the face of men, but in the Supreme Court of God, unfold situation shall come to pass. He tweeted at Muhammadu Buhari may have won in the Supreme Court of man, but he has lost in the Supreme Court of God. These are questions, and comments are below dropping, because whenever Fani Kayode speaks, people will comment. A lot of comments will drop down, both negative ones and positive ones. Meanwhile, at this judgment of Justice Tanko Muhammad, many people did not adhere to the judgment, due to what is happening in Nigeria. And there are a lot of comments coming, and we need to read some comments to you. Not all, because there are a lot of comments here because of time, We just have to minimize our time and give you some comments. This is coming from Rufael Alaru. Atiku should know from day one that no judges in Nigeria will judge in his favor. If at all they find evidence that he truly won the election, because they put the judge in there, definitely he will judge to favor them. Muhammadu Buhari has already made entries that no one will definitely win over him. That is why they remove the judge that would have stand against any illegal act by the cabals. Now, Tanko Muhammad is a friend to Muhammadu Buhari and one that eat together, and he puts him there. There is no how, anywhere, that Atiku will overcome the person that Buhari put in there. This is a comment coming from Lawal Profile. Definitely, he will judge against you, despite anything, because they put him there, not to do well, but to represent them, but to be a representative to them, and to stand according to their commands. The CJN and its representative are standing for Buhari until the time of Buhari is finished. That is a comment coming from Rufael. He continued to say, Tinubu and Buhari will regret all they are doing for Nigerians, for we Nigerians, and I know God will judge them. Let's wait and see what God will do to them later as time goes on. Their cup will soon run over. They will cry when the time shall come. This is coming from Dr. Sam. Dr. Sam said, thank you very much, my in-law, Femi Kayode. You have summarized the whole thing. The only hope for the common man, by your quote from the Bible, the Egyptians we see today, we shall see them no more. Sir, you have spoken well, but there is nothing we can do. The only thing we can do is to wait on God and pray for life. This is coming from Buchi Annie. Thank you very much, sir. The Egyptians you see today, we shall see them no more. Buhari and Tanko Muhammad and Tinubu and all the cabals will soon blot out their life in broad daylight. They will know that we have God. Despite their judgment, we know that Atiku won the election. Everybody in Nigeria knows that Atiku won the election. But the judge in our Nigerian court are nothing to write home about. Thank you, sir, for all you have said. This is coming from, all these comments are coming from, the names are sound Yorubas. It's coming from Abubakar Ali. If Atiku was declared winner, all this summoned by these fake pastors will not be at present. You are beaten to choose all you have chosen. But we realize that Buhari is the winner and will continue to win you anywhere we go. This is Nigeria for us. That is what we are saying. The Zulu people must comment according to their language. This is coming from Abuchi Ezudo. Abuchi Ezudo. Abuchi Ezudo said, they said nobody knew the judges. Ha ha ha. Wahala. Even if Buhari is the CGN, don't ever say no, because the CGN will only judge against Atiku. Atiku, just relax and forget about this judgment. They have stolen the mandate. There is nothing we can do. We have to plan against them next time. Alright guys, we have to shorten the comments because as we continue reading, a lot of comments are popping in, but we cannot read all of them because of time. And also, we plead you to drop your own comment so that we know your opinion according to what you said, according to what Fani Kayode have said many are dropping their comment. Your comment is also necessary. Meanwhile, before you go, do not forget to hit at the red subscribe button below this video and then click on the bell icon beside it so as to be the first to be notified whenever we publish news in the future on this channel, Dynamicom TV. Thank you and welcome.